Hey guys! Today we have 11 survival gear that you must have before heading to the wilderness. This is the TOPS Atax, an ultimate survival tool that combines the versatility of an axe, knife, skinner, wire cutter, and more. This versatile solution also serves as a rangefinder, compass, inclinometer, and clock, ensuring you stay oriented and on schedule. With its hardened 1095 high-carbon alloy blade and black linen micarta handle, it's built to handle tough tasks. The Atax is a true survival-centric powerhouse, featuring a custom form-fitted Kydex belt carry sheath for easy access. Whether you need to start a fire, navigate challenging terrain, or perform rescue operations, the TOPS Atax is your reliable companion, providing the tools you need to thrive in any survival situation. Next, the Eton FRX3. It's a reliable survival radio that's designed to keep you connected and powered up in critical situations. With its multiple power sources, including solar panels and hand-crank generators, you'll never be without access to vital information. Stay informed with the built-in weather radios, and the bright LED flashlight ensures visibility in the darkest moments. The emergency phone charger keeps your devices powered, while the digital alarm clock maintains a sense of time. Compact and portable, the FRX3 is a survival-centric tool that provides essential communication, power, and illumination when you need it most. The BAHA shovel is the ultimate survival tool, offering multifunctionality and durability for any outdoor adventure or emergency situation. Made from Japanese high-carbon steel 440C, the shovel blade boasts exceptional strength and sharpness without the need for frequent sharpening. Its folding design and included carrying pouch make it easily portable and ideal for camping, hiking, and off-road exploration. With its pickaxe function, it can handle tough digging tasks, while its additional features make it a versatile survival tool for gardening, vehicle emergencies, and more. The BAHA shovel is a reliable companion equipped with a waterproof bag and case to ensure your survival gear stays protected in any condition. The Gerber Stake Out is a survival-centric powerhouse, purpose-built to handle the critical tasks encountered in outdoor survival scenarios. With its 11 essential tools, it empowers you to maintain your well-being, repair equipment, cook meals, and efficiently manage your surroundings, from tending to your body and gear to organizing your campsite. The Stake Out ensures you have the tool needed to thrive in challenging situations. Compact and reliable, it's the ultimate companion for survivalists, offering the versatility and functionality required to overcome obstacles and emerge victorious in any survival scenario. The Kia Kit is an exceptional outdoor survival system designed to equip you with the tools and knowledge necessary to tackle any adventure with confidence. With its comprehensive range of features, it ensures you're well prepared for unexpected challenges that may rise. It includes essential survival gear such as fire-starting tools, a compact knife, a reliable compass, a signaling whistle, and a versatile paracord. Additionally, the kit provides educational materials including a survival guide and first aid instructions, empowering you with the knowledge to handle emergency situations. Lightweight and compact, the Kia Kit is an indispensable companion for adventurers seeking to embrace every outdoor experience with readiness and resilience. Next is the COALAX Fast Heating Hand Warmer Bag. This survival-centric bag is designed to provide immediate and reliable heat for utmost comfort in outdoor environments. With a smart heating technology, this utility bag quickly warms up in just 3 seconds upon activation, delivering instant warmth to alleviate discomfort and cold hands. Whether you're engaging in fishing, skiing, or simply waiting at a metro station, this accessory ensures your hands stay comfortably warm, enabling you to focus on your survival tasks. The 7.4-volt carbon fiber heating element outperforms other models on the market, delivering rapid and soothing heat, making it an indispensable tool for enduring cold weather conditions and enhancing your overall survival experience. B2 Nano Blade, inspired by the B2 stealth bomber, is the ultimate survival-centric pocket knife designed for precision and durability in any survival situation. This mini tactical blade features a split design with a sharp edge for precise slicing and serrated teeth for tackling tougher materials like wood. Weighing less than 1 ounce, it's the world's lightest fully functional pocket knife, made from 440C black stainless steel. With its robust construction and versatility, the B2 Nano Blade is the ideal companion for survivalists, offering a compact and reliable tool for various tasks in the wilderness or any challenging environment you may encounter. TIANDLIFE Alcohol Burner Spirit Camp Stove is a survival-centric essential crafted from high-quality titanium, making it ultra-light, durable and resistant to rust, acid, and alkali corrosion. Its foldable stand design accommodates various cookware options, perfect for cooking meals on the go. With compact dimensions of 2.2 inches and weighing only 45 grams, this pocket-sized stove is easily portable in your backpack. It efficiently burns alcohol fuel with a capacity of 80 to 90 ml and offers a ton of heat. The cleverly designed combustion holes enhance efficiency, shortening cooking times and allowing you to boil 1000 ml of water in minutes. Next is the Camillus Carnivore X. It's the ultimate survival machete, specially designed for hunting, camping, hiking, and exploration. This versatile tool serves multiple purposes, allowing you to cut, dig, saw, chisel, and gut, adapting to your outdoor needs. With an additional trimming knife included, you have added versatility at your fingertips. The 18-inch tactical knife features a full-tang blade made from titanium-bonded 420 stainless steel, ensuring it stays sharp for longer and providing 3 times the strength of untreated steel. The textured handle offers a secure grip, instilling confidence during use. To top it off, the Carnivore X comes with a bonus 5-inch trimming knife, equipped with hex heads for added functionality. Hoto Camping Light. It's a versatile lighting solution designed specifically for camping enthusiasts. With its 3 modes, camping light, ambient light, and flashlight, it provides adaptable illumination for various situations. The magnetic detachable lampshade adds convenience and allows for easy installation and removal. The hidden handle design ensures portability and easy carrying, making it a practical choice for camping trips. The IPX6 water resistance rating ensures durability and reliability even in wet conditions. With a measured output of 180 lumens, it offers ample brightness for your outdoor activities. The Hoto Camping Light is a reliable companion that combines functionality, convenience, and durability to enhance your camping experience. Ending the list with the Mjolnir Ti pendants. These are not regular jewelry. Designed to help and protect in emergency situations, they embody the essence of Thor's hammer, Mjolnir. The Thor pendant features a fire starter inside, symbolizing the power of Thor, the god of thunder. The Loki pendant, inspired by the mischievous figure Loki, resembles a knife and serves a vital purpose. These pendants not only pay homage to ancient legends, but also provide practical tools for survival. With their unique designs and life-saving capabilities, the Mjolnir Ti pendants combine style and functionality, offering a wearable symbol of preparedness and protection. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest gadgets. If you want to stay updated on the newest tech releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.